Another day, another story. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of the brain and the fascinating world of neuroscience. In today's video, we will take you on a journey through the complex workings of the brain and reveal the amazing capabilities of the human mind. Whether you're a curious learner or a neuroscientist, get ready to be amazed. Hello, brain enthusiasts. I am Usama, and today we're delving into the incredible world of neuroscience. From neurons and synapses to brainwaves and consciousness, let's explore how your brain works. Let's start with the basics. Your brain is the control center of your body, responsible for everything from breathing and heart rate to memory and emotions. It's made up of billions of cells called neurons, which communicate with each other through tiny gaps called synapses. When you think, learn, or remember something, neurons fire in specific patterns and pathways, creating neural networks that encode information and produce thoughts and actions. Neuroscientists use advanced tools such as brain imaging and electrophysiology to study these processes and understand how the brain works. The brain is divided into different regions, each with its unique functions and abilities. For example, the frontal lobe is responsible for decision-making, planning, and impulse control, while the occipital lobe processes visual information, and the temporal lobe is involved in hearing and language. But wait, there's more. Did you know that the brain can change and adapt throughout your life, a phenomenon called neuroplasticity? It means that your brain can create new neural connections and rewire existing ones in response to experiences, learning, and challenges. Neuroscience has also revealed fascinating insights into how the brain creates consciousness, the subjective experience of being aware of your surroundings, thoughts, and emotions. It's a complex and ongoing field that continues to unravel the mysteries of the brain. So, whether you're a neuroscience enthusiast or just curious about the inner workings of your mind, I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the world of neuroscience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos about the brain and beyond. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of neuroscience. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the brain and unlocking the mysteries of the mind. See you in the next video.